Hey everyone, rarely does a home this spectacular hit the market here in Corona Del Mar. Now we are standing at 59 Cambria. This is located in the Spyglass Hill neighborhood of Corona Del Mar. Now the great thing about this home is it's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, just over 2,800 square feet on a 1-story flat, 10,000 square foot lot with views from the island, basically all the way up to Los Angeles. It's just spectacular. Let's take a look. Now, starting with the kitchen, you'll find high-end stainless steel appliances. Of course, you have a fabulous large island. I really love the countertops. The counters are custom. And check out the skylights that bring in the extra light. But my favorite thing about this whole entire kitchen is the views all the way out to the ocean. It is just spectacular. Now, as soon as you walk in the front door, this is just incredible. Once again, the views from Catalina Island all the way up to Los Angeles. You can see Fashion Island, and the water never goes anywhere. Let me tell you something, this is incredible. What I do love is the beam ceilings, and the living room dining room combo is light and bright, yet it's still warm and cozy, and it leads you right into that spectacular kitchen. You'll also find a large yet very cozy family room with a built-in fireplace, bookends on each side, and of course the double French doors that lead out to the pool. Isn't this just so inviting? Now this master suite has it all. It's warm and inviting, yet it has a touch of romance. I love the recessed lights in the ceiling. It also has doors that lead out to the romantic yet wonderful backyard. I also love the huge walk-in closet, and check out this exquisitely and elegantly remodeled master bath. And check out each of the second and third bedrooms. They both have great room, there's ceiling fans, recessed lighting, and you'll also notice the brand new windows in each of the rooms along with the entire home. The other thing I really love is this exquisite flooring that you'll also find throughout the home. Now the present 4th bedroom is being used as an office. The walls were open but could very easily be closed. There's still a closet, but what a great way to make a home office setup. And whether or not you like to do laundry, let's face it, it's great to have a separate laundry room. This one's spectacular with a lot of storage. It also leads to the side yard, but most importantly, it's a really good size laundry room. I just love that. Now the guest bath is also elegantly remodeled with double sinks, a separate tub, and a separate shower. Lots of room for your guests or your children. Stepping out into this backyard, it is just stunning. I love the water features and the little grass area. There's plenty of room to set up here to entertain guests, but once again, this view is completely priceless. And did I hear you say you wanted a pool? Well, we've got you covered there too. When you enter the front courtyard, in the front yard area, you'll find this refreshing and beautiful pool to entertain or relax. This absolutely incredible home and property located at 59 Cambria could be the home you've been waiting for. Give me a ring to schedule a private tour. I'd love to help you make this a reality.